Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speedcuber here, and in this video I have a very special unboxing. It's not a cube, but it's cube related though. Let's get into it. So Eastpak did a collaboration with Rubik's, and this was the result. I really like this backpack. Eastpak was so kind to send me a backpack to review. Yeah, it looks super nice, very detailed. And I haven't spotted an impossible cube, so yeah, it's really detailed. I really wonder how many Rubik's cubes I can fit in this bag though. Let's find out. This is the Rubik's shelf. Check out that 17 by 17 though. I got it for last year's Christmas, so yeah, neat. And the Holy Grail as well. An 80s Rubik's brand. Okay. Let's see how many cubes fit in this bag. And the Holy Grail, a 1980s original Rubik's brand. Oh wait, I forgot two. There's even plenty of room over, so yeah, it's a really nice backpack. It even has a front pocket to store even more things. So yeah, it's a really nice bag, and also great quality as to be expected from Eastpak. I want to thank Eastpak once again for sending me this backpack to review. I will also put a link in the description of this video where you can buy it. This was it for the video. Belgian Speedcuber out.